let's welcome Abdul from Bitform. Bitform, it's pretty much call it one of the automated form builders in a WordPress. Just keep it in mind that there are plenty of options in a WordPress system. But what Bitform does different, it's they have a different, let's say, add-ons and connections, and they have compatibilities with most of the page builders that we have in today's days. Am I right, Abdul, with that?
Yeah.
So I have a few questions before I actually go into test the product. So who is behind Bitform? Why should people buy Bitform instead of buying any other product? I'm not gonna name it, but why should we go for Bitform?
Okay. First of all, I am Abdul Kaioum from BitPress, and our developer Arifuddin has also joined we renamed our company. Our mother company was Bitcode Technologies Limited. That's why before every product we are developing or in our future lineup will contain Bit, like Bitform, Bit CRM, Bit Analysis, something like this. And why another form builder is that we are a Zoho partner. We are a Zoho partner for last 3 years, and we got a lot of requests from our client, from WordPress users who also use Zoho CRM. They always wanted an integration with WordPress with Zoho, and at that there was a couple of integration with Zoho and WordPress form, but we thought that there might be an option to improve improve those integration. That's why we first of all we started integration with Contact Form 7 with Zoho, but later we thought that why not create our own form builder and where we will have our own branding. That's why we started our building form builder November 2018.
2018, so you guys are 2 years.
Yeah, November 2019, and we are a Zoho partner for last 2-3 years, and we got Zoho has some product like Zoho CRM, Zoho Creator, which is a database management application. And from our experience, we always try to build a product which is not just a form builder, where we will give some feature or from Zoho, our experience with Zoho. That's why we thought that why not create a different form builder. But we still don't say it is still different than other form builder, but we are still adding the features from our previous experience.
Okay, so do you have any other CRMs do you have any other CRMs planning to come to work with it, or you're just gonna focus on Zoho?
No, the Zoho integration we planned has already done. You can see that almost 12 to 13 integration has been completed with Zoho. So now next we will start it with Salesforce, Pipedrive, then other integration like Google Sheet and MailPoint, which will be started very soon.
Understand. So, and you guys are planning to go with this for I do see that you guys just started. I mean, you guys have two reviews, 5 stars, which is good.
Yeah, and honestly, those are not from our those. We can see that when any plugin has been submitted, most of the reviews are from the company or any friend. But if you go to those those ratings, not has been influenced by us. Those are some honest feedback. I think one is from Pakistan and another is from USA.
Yeah, right.
Who are using our plugin and bought the plugin.
Understand that. So, and I do see that you guys don't have any issues, like I said it before, working with different page builders. So there is no bugs, or there is nothing that it actually pops it up when you guys work.
There is a reason that suppose we can say that there is a lot of WordPress product or any SaaS product. You can say that the developed product So as soon as possible and launch it. We almost developed this product 1.5 years or maybe more than 1.5 years, and after that we tried to make a minimum bug fixing. Yeah, there is some issues. You can we can say it is not a bug, but it is a feature issue which we didn't put yet, but we are aware of it.
Yeah, so that means that all the issues can pretty much be fixed, right? On the no time. So at this point, what I have done in my end, just like a simple contact form, right? So here is the shortcode. I don't know, can you guys see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, so what I'm using in here, it's one of the latest page builders, which has been having a few issues with the shortcode. So, but I did use it, and then it turns out that I have no issues with the shortcodes that you guys pretty much had created. So here is what I have done it. So how have I done it? I have done in the back end, obviously, of the plugin, and I do like the fact that it's really simple, clear, and clean. When I say simple, don't take me wrong. I'm not saying that it's not a good product. When I'm saying simple, it's like it's an easy drag and drop system. You don't have to add any coding or anything in order to work 100%. And I like that. I like the fact that you guys have been improving that. So here are the two options that you guys pretty much have been having now, right? So let's create a new form. It's a blank form and a contact form, right? So which are, when it says blank form, nothing pops up, obviously, right?
Yes.
So let's go to this form. Okay, so in here, what should I do? Let's say that I'm a new user. I don't know how to do this. So first of all, I gotta start with the title. So let's say bid form. So just keep it in mind that we're doing this live, so it might take a little longer, right? So are you ready?
No problem.
Yeah. Okay. So you cannot save a blank form. Okay, which is good. So the system is pretty much telling me that I have to do something, add something in order to save it. So just drag and drop. Wow, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, you can just if you need, just click on it. It will be here. If there is any problem on drag and drop, or if you have any issue in your mouse or mouse pad, just click on it. It will be, the field will be added.
Yes, I have done that, and it like I said, it's so simple. Like I used to use contact form 7, and I'm not that techie, so I'm just like a regular user. You know, everything that will make it simpler will be better, and this is so simple to use. Plus, you guys are having a great special now. How come are you guys doing the great special that you guys are doing it? Because if you guys see in the front page, you guys are offering, can you please correct me if I'm wrong, $5 for a year, right? Am I right?
Yeah, it is. It was $5 for a year. For now, it is. We have a promotion, but we are going to ending the promotion very soon and going to introduce a new pricing plan.
Okay, can you please tell what is it? The link bid form?
Bitpress. It is bitpress.pro.
Okay, let me see.
Bitpress.pro.
Like
Bit
that?
from our company and press from WordPress. Then it's
Bitpress. My bad.
Yeah, bitpress.pro.
All right, I do apologize.
It is pro, not com. .pro. Pro.
So you used to put the .com at the end of it. All right, so here's the deal you guys are having it, right? I actually do own an account, and I'm actually gonna buy a few of the accounts for my subscribers, because I think that it's a really good deal. So you guys have added in here a lifetime deal, and here are the options. So when it says the Bit Pro help sites, so it's $5 per site. Is that how it is?
Yeah, it is as it is now. When we are doing this session, we have promotion running. That's why for now, for a limited time, it is showing 0. But we are going to add a new price. But it was 5. We are going to add a new price at the later today.
So, but correct me if I'm wrong. It's gonna be $5 per site per year.
No, we are going to make it one for just checking the response from the user. We are going to make it just $1.
So it's gonna be $1 per site.
Yeah.
Okay, so how about the lifetime deal? I mean, if you guys can tell me, how is that gonna work out, or you guys are still deciding the price on it?
Yeah, we are just checking the response from suppose we have $60, then 29.99, then 5, then it was free. Now it was we are just we don't have any, honestly we don't have any marketer in our company. All of us are developer. We are just checking the response on different pricing.
You guys
not
are
all the pricing.
understand
Yeah.
that. So, but here is my question, and I'm pretty sure the people might say, okay, listen, most of the page builder, they do come with this type of contact form now. So what does it makes Beatform different from the rest of it? Why should I buy Beatform instead of buying somewhere else?
Asked by so many. Okay, we are doing web development work since 2015 before coming to this business, and we have done a lot of database application. Like we have seen that people need a simple database application, just entering the data and just a little bit automation. That's why we have planned to not just make a form builder. We have planned to make it a little bit database. People can make it as a database application, and we have planned to add a marketing tool here. Like suppose if you have collected 100 leads through your contact form, and now if you want to send them newsletter monthly or weekly or yearly, then you need to send the email to MailChimp or other email marketing tool. That's what we have planned to add that feature here, so that you don't need to don't need any other software. Okay.
So you guys are pretty much gonna work with a few with some CRM integrations in it. Are you guys planning, like you said, MailChimp? At this point, there are other ones that are also good CRMs. Are those CRMs gonna be based in WordPress, or they can be based out of WordPress? Because there's some CRMs that are working just in WordPress. In this case, I'm talking about like the latest one that I just see. It's a Fluent CRM that it's only working in WordPress.
Okay, it won't be a full CRM, but we will give it a feel like a little bit CRM and a marketing tool besides a contact form builder. Also, we have planned to people can use it as a a small database application. People can create with this form builder.
I see. So you guys are planning to go into to that kind of space. So, but how is everything? How is the people reacting to this let's say I don't want to say tool, because I mean it's a tool, but at the same time it's a great product that you guys are offering. How is the people reacting to it?
Yeah, people. We honestly we didn't have done so much promotion or anything like this. Just started promotion yesterday with a posting in a Facebook form. People think that it is just another form builder because the name says so. It is not their fault, but I hope that we are giving. We are now trying a promotion with acquire a user base with a free lifetime deal for 100 sites. As soon as we get a number of users, good number of users, and when they will use it and see that a lot of features are coming, then I hope people will understand why we are not calling it. It is just another page. It is not just another page builder.
Okay.
Form builder. Sorry, form builder.
No, that's right, not a problem. So I do see that some people are actually giving some feedbacks and some love to your post. This is your post that you actually did it yesterday, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was between, I don't know the time, but it was really late over here. So I do see that you guys have some reaction to the public in here. So are you guys gonna, okay, let's say, are you guys gonna be doing any updates in the system based on the feedbacks, or are you guys gonna be working in your own roadmap?
Sorry, network. Sorry, couldn't hear you. Can you please
Yeah, sure.
repeat?
So a lot of people are suggesting you things like how to do this, how to do that. Can you please improve this? Can you please add that? Are you guys gonna be listening to the people, or are you guys gonna be doing your own
Sure.
stuff?
We also, for this we created a group in Facebook. This is called Beat Community, and you can. We will usually we can give update through newsletter or email, but people don't usually have time to read newsletter or email. That's why we created a Facebook group. Our existing user or interested WordPress user can join our group called Beat Community, and they will get regular update and can ask the question there. It is
Understand that.
called Beat Community Facebook group.
I'm pretty sure that I'm in it. I'm pretty sure that I'm in the group already, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check.
It is Beat Community. Yeah, this one. Beat Community क्या से? Can you please select group?
Yeah, let's go by groups right here.
Yeah, the second one. Yeah.
There you go. I'm in it. I told you that I'm in it.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
you can see that we are getting regular update, and some people are also reacting and and commenting on our post.
Yeah, so look at this. Just a few days with it, but I really like where a form builder is heading. So these are good things that as a user.
Yeah, and Sanjay already before the promotion, Sanjay bought 3 licenses from us.
Yeah, like I said, it's a good thing that you guys are doing this and that you guys are listening to the people, because just keep it in mind that people are the ones that are pretty much we need. So they're the ones that are gonna say, listen, can you please do this? Can you please do that? If you guys work with the people, everything is gonna be easier. That's the way that I think as a user. You know, you guys said that you have the conditional login. So
Conditional logic system.
that's a great feature that you guys are actually adding in it too, because I don't usually see that everywhere. But yeah. So for how long are you guys gonna be running this promotion that you guys have it currently?
For free promotion, we are going to end it today, and for a couple of days, maybe we will check the response. We are make it for $1 just for lifetime deal for one site, single site, or $1
But
lifetime.
when will be this link ready to use?
Yeah, the updated pricing link will be here.
Will be ready soon?
Yeah, maybe today at the end of the day.
Understand that. Do you guys have any other any type of implementation that you guys are trying to do with the page builders, or you guys are gonna stay on your site, like doing your own stuff?
I think we don't need any extension for other page builder, because most of the form builder who don't have a style editor, they need extension with the page builder. But you can see that we have our own style editor. So at the right side, besides field, at the right side, you can show it to the user. Yeah. No, please go to builder.
Builder, all right.
Yeah, at the right side you can see the style customizer.
Yes, I did see this. I did see that you guys have these options, which are really good too. Like everything, like I said, you can customize every single section from the form. And I do see that in the tab you have response. I'm pretty sure that those are the response from the forums, right? Am I right?
Yeah, you can please try to submit a record just for now.
Let me
Can you please try to submit? Yeah.
let me see if I do in a contact form 1. Let me double check this.
Yeah.
All right. So like I said, everything it's being done live, so nothing is being hidden. Let me check this. There you go. So
Okay, just submit a record. Any random value.
yeah, let's go like this. Let's see like this.
Okay. Can you please go to the plugin now?
Sure. Let's go back here.
Yeah, just reload it.
Reload it.
Did you submit other forms? Can you please go back to the home page?
Homepage. All right.
Yeah, try the contact form. I think you should go to contact form, not
This is
form.
the one. Yes. So this is the one that I did. That was my bad.
Go to the response.
There you go.
Now you can see that. Okay, let me show you one thing. Just click on it. Click on it. Yeah, just edit.
So it shows me everything that. Okay.
Just edit, not related info. Yeah.
Just edit.
Yeah, just change any value.
It lets you change everything.
Yeah. Just update and go to the related info. Related info at the first icon, first one, the previous one. Besides edit, yeah, timeline. You can see the what value has been changed. Okay,
so this is pretty much, let's say they're working with a team, and then someone has submitted something, but you can see who had done the change in it, which is really interesting. I mean, the time.
Yeah, and another thing is, suppose a contact form has been submitted, you have a note for this, have a meeting with this person, or have a deal has been done, you can create a notes here.
Okay, I'm adding a note, so I want to test. I'm sorry, man. This is cool, so that's what I'm. Okay, so note added, because you actually can add notes to the contact form. So note added, not a user accident. Oh, cool. Wow, this is great. You guys are doing great with this product. So you delete it.
Yeah, just deleted it and go to timeline again. You can see that a note has been deleted. Note deleted, the first one.
Yep, no deleted. It says right here. It appears in it, but it's a timeline, so it's also going to show you what the action was.
We are going to redesign it again. We just released the feature, and there will be a lot of feature will coming. Suppose we have another option running. That suppose if you have an API integration done, you can see the API response. The API has been successful or it has been invalid. You can see the API response. Suppose if you have a integration with our form builder and Toho CRM or other, suppose Salesforce, you can see the API response.
Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm checking settings. There you go. Allow single API address, which is really good. Allow single entry from each. This is good for the let's say for spamming, unless you have a regular customer that this thing should be enabled, as my opinion.
That's good.
But you guys can block IPs too?
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is crazy. Enable, disable. I'm like, it rocks, man. I'm really glad that I have this.
And we also have the option to, suppose you are running a campaign in Google Ads, you want to track the Google Click ID, from which ID this form has been submitted, GCL ID, captured GCL ID, the second one.
You guys can enable this. Wow.
You need to put some code in the settings.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, I gotta put that in it in order to work in it. Confirmation. All right. So here we go. Redirections. Webhooks.
You can even rename this confirmation message name. Suppose just click on the pen icon at the above.
Either way works, right? In here or in here.
Yeah.
The drop down or the icon, right?
Yeah, pen icon. You can just rename the message title.
And also you can change the message.
Yeah.
There is a feature and
and the title too.
Message you can add, and you can show it the multiple success messages here and add conditional logic which success message you want to show.
Oh wow, that's great. You can actually do that too. So everything.
Yes. Just click on plus icon and add another success message, and you can apply conditional logic on your form response.
Wow.
Which success message you want to show to your targeted user. You can set it. Also redirect page, also webhook calls.
Yeah, just click on the show success message. Just add a conditional, go to conditional logic and create a new, add a conditional logic. Yeah, you can. Yeah, suppose you want to show different conditional logic depending on your logic. You
Okay.
can do it here. Just click on form submit action effect. On form submit. On form submit. The second row.
First of all.
Action effect, the last one. Yeah, the last one.
Okay.
Yeah. Suppose if you put any condition and depending on that, just click on success message.
Okay.
Click on action in the action section.
Value?
No. At the first one, the success message action. No. Just scroll down.
Scroll down.
Scroll down a little bit.
Okay. Successful message.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can, depending on the logic, you can put a different. Yeah, select the success message. Which one you want to show?
Oh, I see. Okay, so everything depends on it.
Yeah.
Your logics will appear in above.
Wow, this is amazing. I mean, like, it's pretty much self-explanatory, and like I haven't really dig into it, but it's so easy and simple to use.
For advanced user who wants.
Yeah, and you in other form builder you can just see that there is only if or any, but you can use if and or even nested if. Or suppose you can create or group or and group. Just click on it and or and group. And group.
Yeah, I did. And
feature allows the advanced user to apply conditional logics, and they might have a complex logic here, and they also can apply here, and this logic will work with their complex response.
so with pretty much they need with their needs. So this is not. I mean, it's a great option, and it's not that hard actually to follow. All you gotta do is just pretty much read it. So, but I do see that it doesn't really require any type of coding or anything in it, does it?
Everything details found in our documentation. We write also about details about these features in our documentation.
Yeah, I already told you we are working since 2015 on database application, and we know what people need on create a small database application. We are trying to make a full automation so that people don't need to write any code.
Yeah, because I do see like the other like I said, I'm not gonna name any other let's say contact form or form builder, but I do see that they do require some coding in order to work the way that the user wants it, and that happened actually to me.
I think people don't need any code. We are trying to improve it day by day. We are adding. We will add more features.
Okay, so you guys have it in here email templates too.
Yeah, for now we have a basic editor here, but we are trying. We have planned to add a Gutenberg block editor here, so that you can create drag and drop and create a template.
I see.
We have planned.
So you guys template coming soon.
Yeah, template coming soon, and we will replace this editor.
By when do you guys? Is there any estimated time that you guys can?
No, I can't give any estimate time, but our developer team is trying to find a way to give a better builder.
Better builder,
email
right.
builder.
So in integration sections, so this is what you have so far, and this is what you have. You guys have it coming soon, right? It actually says in it. Besides these ones, do you guys have any more? Because it seems like you guys are based.
We have now PayPal integration is almost finished, and then we will start with Google Sheet, because we can see that some people requested us to add Google Sheet, as those all the integration are not done from any. Are not requested from any user because we don't have any user base. Now we are listening our user, and will be given. We will give priority based on the user request, which integration they want. Now we have got more requests for Google Sheet and some from MailPoint.
I understand. Yeah. So which is good that you guys have it coming. Are you guys gonna have it in here in this section anytime soon? like
Yeah,
saying what's
yeah.
coming next?
Maybe next month you will see a couple of more integration.
More integrations. All right, sounds good. So like you said, you guys are a Soho expert. I have never worked with it, so I'm not even gonna talk about it because I have no knowledge of it.
Yeah, and another thing is you can you can run multiple integration for single form submission. Like also conditional integration. We always say that suppose for if someone submitted data, select data from select his country USA, then you want to send data to Mailchimp, and someone suppose select a country Spain, then you want to send his data to SendGrid, another email marketing software. For the same submission, depend on the value, you can run multiple integration.
Okay, so I do see that a lot of people are talking about public connect. Do you guys have any plans for public connect?
You mean public roadmap?
Let me show you what public. Let me open it up right here. Public connect. This is what.
Okay, public connect. It is. I think is it like JPF?
Yes, that's what they're pretty much doing. It's like a Zapier, but it's well, it's cheaper. That's what they're pretty much advertise. I mean, a lot of people talk about it. As my suggestion, you guys might want to take a look to it because a lot of group users and the Facebook community, they're looking at it.
We have some requests. Like we will try to tie with WP Fusion and JPR mail. And Pebble. We will try to connect with this integration platform. We will contact with them soon.
Yeah, because I think that they have the guy from Public is really good.
We have honestly we have another two product is on development, and one is like this Pebble.
So you guys are planning on coming up with your own system
It is already on development.
Oh, it's already in development. All right.
And there will be two. One will be coming WordPress, and another will be in cloud.
So it's either one that you can choose. Can you put those two to work together or not?
Yeah, so we have seen that some people don't want to use WordPress as a management system. They just use WordPress as just website, and some people like to use as WordPress as a whole system for his organization or business. That's why people can choose whether he want to do his integration in cloud or in WordPress. We will bring two different same product but in two different platform, both in WordPress and cloud.
I understand that. Well, guys, thank you for your time. But listen, you guys are doing great. Just keep it up with the work. Do you have anything else to share with the people that are actually going to buy this? Because, like I said, I'm going to get a few more.
We can show you some other features. If you go to response, maybe I don't know, have you tried it or not? Go to the response page.
Okay, right here.
Yeah, you can here just can you please the eye icon at the left side?
Yep.
Yeah, you can just sort the hide. Suppose if you have 10 to 15 column in your form, you don't just need to compare. Suppose if you want to compare two records, then you can just sort the column. Yeah.
You can actually do that. Okay, so like for example, I don't like to see this thing here. I would like to see my name, my email, like this: name, last name, email, subject, message. All right, so this is how I would like to see. Oh, that's great. So now if I don't want to click this, it goes away. Beautiful. Like I said, it's a pretty complex. Let's say a builder.
Yeah, it's more 1.5 years, maybe more than 1.5 years to be here.
So yeah, it's great. It's simple. You know what? It reminds me of page builder I used to use instead of contact form
If
7.
you not count this interface, yeah, it don't go. It don't like just the interface is not like other WordPress plugin or form builder. It is like a standalone application.
Yes. It like I said, it's really good. It's really easy and simple to use. But like I said, once again, when I say simple, that doesn't mean that it's not a good product. When I say simple, it's like a user friendly. It's like, okay, you don't need to hire anyone in order to do your contact forms. You don't have to pay extra money in order to get your stuff done. Because back on time, you used to join a lot of groups in order to get this code from here, this code from this group, and then put them together. Sometimes they don't work together, then join this other group just to get the extra code to make them work together. And at the end of it, you'll have like tons of codes in your website that you didn't really need it. But this thing, it just creates everything simple and complex. Like it's simple and complex at the same time, which is great.
Yeah, there is another feature I can show you. Can you please go to the plugin?
Absolutely.
Yeah, just can you see that the icon at the above the device icon? The device icon.
Which one? I'm sorry.
The device icon at the top bar.
Top bar. Response settings.
At the right side.
The right side.
Yeah. You can now you can design for tab, or you can you can change it here from also for mobile. You can change the column. Suppose the last name for mobile you want to show the last name at the bottom.
Okay, so
you can do it.
Let's say
but in computer it will show you at the second column.
Okay, so let me do this. So let's say that I wanna hide this thing.
For now, hide onto one, but you can
drag it.
I mean, you can
change the position of this field.
You can change the position from different device.
You guys can change it, but you guys like the drag and drop. It's not. It's something that you guys are I mean the hide. It's something that you guys are planning, or you guys are not gonna probably work on.
We didn't thought it before, honestly, but we'll talk with our development team.
You know what I'm saying this, because like let's say in a computer you guys can see like this, right? So it's pretty good, it's decent, but in a mobile device these sections, it creates a page that it's too long, and sometimes the users, they don't want to read everything and fill it out everything. So that's what I'm suggesting, like that. Let's say to do it for a PC view, just to do it the way like this, and like for the mobile, just instead of name and last name, just to do username or name, something like that. That's the way that I think.
I think it is a good idea. We will pass it to our development team and we'll check out the possibilities.
Yeah, because look, like you see how I mean, just this will be like the mobile screen, right? And
yeah,
it's a little, it pretty much covers the screen, but in a PC view, it looks better. That's what I'm saying. It's my suggestion. You know, you guys are the pros.
Yeah, we will pass this to our development team to check the possibilities.
Okay, thank you. What else do you guys have to share? Come on, share something, because you guys are doing great so far.
There is for now, I think we don't have we don't know is there anything else, but hope we will have more session in future. So there there is a lot of feature is on development. Maybe we can do another session after a few months.
Sure, why not? Okay, not a problem at all.
Background. You have to first change the opacity of background color.
So right here,
color, and select an color which is white, and change the opacity here.
So like this.
Okay. Now you have to back.
Please
Go back.
Go back.
Go back right here.
No, at the style editor, there is option to back.
Oh, right here. I'm sorry.
And then please select form customize.
Form customize.
and then background. There is a two background. One is form background and another is total background. And then you have to change the background.
Okay, so this is for the entire background. But what was the option that I was doing at the beginning? So
it is one. First one is main background and second one is form background. To show this background, you have to add a margin or padding in main background. Please go to the background, first background customize, and select padding and add some padding. Yes, this is the main background and there is the form background. Now you can change the form background as well.
Yeah,
okay.
now go to the form customize.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay, I see. Okay, so but here's my question. Because I was a little confused. So when it says right here, this option, it doesn't let you change the background by section, right? It's either the
also
background.
You can change this every section background. To do this, is select style customize.
Go to style editor, style customizer.
Okay.
Then field block customize or field customize. Here's the field block and every input field is filled. The blur will not work right now because there is no image.
Okay, so but let's go over here.
One color, and this is the color of.
Wow. Okay, this is what I was looking for. Okay, I see.
And you can also change the field specific input fields background and other styles, and you have to go back for this.
Okay.
And select field customize.
Field customize.
And select background. Now you can change the field every input field's background.
Okay.
We will do some tutorial on this style editor. So I think user will get update and how to customize their own form in own style.
Okay, so
it's possible in here.
Yeah, I was actually curious about it because it's pretty good. So in order to get everything to default, how can I do it? Is there any option to get everything to default, or I have to do one at a time?
You have to do one at a time.
Or
there is no reset option.
Or I can do a refresh.
Or we can reload this.
Okay, yeah, because I don't think that I have actually said
we will edit reset option soon.
Okay, that's good. I just wanted to double check because some people like it, some people don't like it. Wow, now I'm getting it. You see, I'm a pro now. I don't need you guys. No, I'm just messing with you.
You're doing great, man.
There you go, man. Okay, beautiful.
There is some padding. You can also remove it.
You see, like I said, it's so easy and simple to do. I didn't even put a line of code in order to put
website, suppose in WordPress we saw that some website owner who try to building their website on their own, they don't hire developer immediately. We keep in mind that so that they can easily develop their at least contact form by their own.
Which is great. Like I said, this tool, I love it. I mean, just for the fact that it's so good to use it. And here you go. Those the files the fields that I just added, they're right here. I mean, obviously I have to set up, but I'm not gonna do it. But here you go. Wow.
Yeah, date and time we will fix the style. We'll style in a future update. We are just using a default style in date and time, but we will fix it or update it soon.
All right, I like it. A lot of options to do this.
Yeah, everything is possible. Every styling is possible in this video.
All right. Beautiful. Bitform, it's a GoPro, so you gotta go for it because people cannot lose this change. Because when this goes away, it ain't coming back. Yeah, it's really nice.
We only before business we have always mind that we want to give a great experience in WordPress.
So you, so
So
what I do know from you guys, it's like you guys pretty much knew what the people were suffering, let's say, during the process of creating a website, especially creating like contact forms and like a form builders, right? Is that why you guys came up with this idea? Am I right?
sorry, couldn't hear clearly. The sound is breaking.
That's right. So what I'm saying is like you guys used to be a WordPress users and you guys used to work with different contact page builders, but unfortunately they.
No, we didn't work that much on WordPress. We mainly worked on a cloud application like Zoho or Google or Salesforce. We used to work on the cloud application.
Okay, so but you got so what makes you guys come with? I mean, besides the easy access to the tools, what else did it inspire you guys to do this type of product?
Yeah, well, we created a couple of web application, database application for users. We thought that why not create something where people can drag and drop and easily put their condition. And we thought that about cloud or WordPress, but in cloud there is you need a little bit more experience, and there is a lot of there is a good amount of maintenance cost. Suppose you don't have any user, but you have infrastructure cost. That's why we started with the WordPress for as we don't have much experience for cloud yet.
Oh, understand that. And you guys are based in Bangladesh, right?
Yeah, we are from Port City, Chittagong, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. All right. Just let me check something over here. 1 second, please. So let's take a look once again to the to the site before we finish it, so users can actually see everything from this bid form, and they can follow it up. Are you guys planning of creating more video tutorials? I mean, it's an easy design.
Yeah, let me clear one thing. Our website is not nice. We admit it, and we are not working on much of this website. We are just updating the documentation because we will redesign our website. Our designer we didn't use any UI UX design here, but just for a short launch, we just created a website. We will redesign it, and we have a lot of development on running for Bitform, and also 2 application will come in coming of months. That's why we couldn't create much video and documentation yet. But we will release more video tutorials in coming days.
So you guys, okay. And everything is gonna be through your Facebook group and through your YouTube channel, right? Because I do see that you guys have a YouTube channel.
People will get update on YouTube channel, and they can communicate us through our Facebook group, Beat Community.
Also, they can chat us with.
Yeah, and important thing, we have live chat support in our website. They can contact us through our live chat support.
Okay, let's test it. Let's see how live it is. Hello. Well, let's try it like that. All right, let's go like this. Be ready, because you guys. Let's see. Let me take a look. Testing the chat support. Want to connect? Let's say that I'm having some technical issues. All right. Problem. Integrations. So for now, it's a bot, the one that is going, right? I heard that the beep over there. Okay, really nice. Are you guys gonna be okay? So here's my question, and I do see, and this is the last question. I'm sorry, I have asked you guys a lot of questions, but
Sure, no problem. Take your time.
But because
we
you know,
appreciate your session.
every time that it comes in it, I do see something different. There are, I'm not gonna say names again, but there are a lot of products that they don't have customer service 24/7. Are you guys planning on having a customer service 24/7, or is gonna be like any specific time that you guys are gonna post it?
As we don't have much user, honestly, we don't have much user yet. Not active, not much active installation. As much as we get a good user number, and there is a different time zone in different parts of the world, then we and of course I guarantee that we will provide 24/7 live chat support.
Are you guys gonna add it into the website, the public roadmap too? Like the stuff that's coming up soon, like the stuff that you guys are building in it? Because it's really
we will add it. We have a lot of user asked for a public roadmap. We are thinking about it. We didn't let us discuss with our team about a public roadmap in our website.
I mean, it doesn't really need to be public as long as you guys added a roadmap saying that, okay, next year we're gonna add our own CRM. In March we're gonna add public. In this month we're gonna add this. Do you guys have something that it actually follows that track or not, like timeline? Are you guys planning on adding?
We are planning on it, but didn't decide it yet. It's still on discussion phase.
Okay, just I mean, as my suggestion, just keep it in mind because this is really important for users because they would like to see what Bitform is coming up with it and why should I buy Bitform today instead of buying this other form, right? That, like I said, I'm just a user. I'm just a WordPress user. And
okay.
yeah.
Let me tell you one important thing. Yeah, we don't have much different yet on our pro version and free version. Just pro version, you can have unlimited conditional logic and Zoho integration. That's it. And people, not all the people want don't need Zoho integration and unlimited conditional logic. And everything else is in free version.
So everything else is pretty much in the market. The login, conditional login, it makes you guys different than the rest of it. For now, because you guys are planning to work on something different, aren't you? Like something that it makes you guys unique.
Yeah, a lot of feature is on development. You will see. I hope you will see it in future. Why we are not calling it not just another form builder.
Beautiful. I'm glad to hear that. And like I said, thank you guys for your time. Thank you. May I pronounce Mohammed? Arif. So Mohammed is the last name?
First name.
First name. How can you say it?
Muhammad Arif.
Muhammad Arif. Okay. So I'm not that bad. And Abdul. Your last name is it's a little harder.
Yeah, Abdul Kaioum. This is
Kaioum.
Abdul Kaioum.
Kaioum. So you guys, okay. Thank you guys once again, and let me tell you something. I'm gonna be like using the tool. I'm gonna be buying some more license for my people. You guys will see. You guys will see me active because, like I said, I do like it. I do think that it's gonna replace some of my tools that I have on my shelf because I do have some tools on the shelf, but. Like I said, thank you. Thanks for listening. Thanks for the feedbacks. And
I hope you just use this for just a contact form builder. I hope you will in future you will find you can use it for many tasks.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm actually honestly planning on doing it on my main website so far, and let's see how it goes. All right.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Once again,
there is another option. We are planning to we have planned to add some features so that you can use it as a support ticket desk plugin.
Okay. Hold on. You see, now that you add that, that's a different thing. Because when you say that,
yeah, but you can use it the same plugin. We'll add a little bit feature, and you can use it as a support ticket plugin.
That's a great option. Is the system gonna generate a specific ticket?
We are planning for it. The work hasn't been started. We are still on discussion phase on these topics.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for sharing that. All right, guys. See you in the groups. Good luck and keep it up with the great work. All right, keep me posted. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.